Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through fixing Minecraft Fabric Loader errors so your game launches properly. First, make sure the Fabric Loader version exactly matches your Minecraft version, because mismatches cause instant errors. Next, check that Fabric API is installed, since most Fabric mods require it to work. Now, open the Mods folder and remove any outdated or incompatible mods. Restart the launcher and select the Fabric profile, not the vanilla one. Update Java and your graphics drivers to prevent runtime conflicts. If the error continues, press Windows plus R, type AppData, open Roaming, and rename the Minecraft folder to reset corrupted files. Reinstall Fabric Loader from the official website only. Finally, add your mods back one by one and launch the game again. This process usually resolves Fabric Loader errors and restores stable modded gameplay. Subscribe the channel for more videos.